this is how I went from this hair to this. So first things first, I'm going to go dye my hair a deep, deep purple.
Oh, let me get that one spot right there.
So I dyed my hair and now we are going to straighten it and then we're going to do the Sabrina Carpenter haircut. So this is it straightened. I love it so much. It is so gorgeous. It's super long, so let's take a, let me see if I can back it up a little bit more. Take a moment to kind of say hi and bye to her. Look, that's ridiculous. It's super, super, super long, but now it's time to cut it. So my hair's in a ponytail, and what we're going to do is you're going to pull the ponytail out at the same angle that your ponytail's coming at. This way it gives you like a layered look. And I'm going to take off, oh, that's quite a bit actually, just one sec. I'm going to take off all of this. And when I pull it at that angle, what it does is that allows the layers to go into your hair. At least that's what Brad said. So now we're cutting. All right. And perfect. How it has like kind of that like angled tilt at it. That's exactly what we want because that's the layers. So the next step of this haircut is bring all your hair forward. We're going to pull it out perpendicular. And I'm not doing the hair test thing. I'm just trying to cut off whatever I think needs to be cut off. So we're gonna cut off this much. So, and scissors. Awesome. And how it has that angle is exactly what you want to see because that's a sign of good layering, according to Brad. So let's pull it out. And holy macaroni. I feel lighter already. Where did I even put my brush though? There it is. So now we are going to get ready to cut the curtain bangs. Let's just see. Yeah, the layers look really nice. I think they look great, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think it's looking pretty good so far anyways. All right, now we're gonna cut the bangs and I'm praying to God that I did this right. So I'm going to brush them out. I'm gonna bring it over. I'm gonna bring it to about here. Lovely. And we're gonna cut right here. All right. Fuck. Holy shit. Okay, I think I took off too much. All right, whatever. We're gonna have to work with this and just make it work. Here we go. Holy shit, I hate myself. All right, are they even? Okay, so they're even. They're even. Okay, they're even. We started at one spot. Holy fuck. That looks bad. I clearly didn't get something right. All right, Well, let's see if we can make this work with some curlers. Holy flying fudge. So this is the final result. I just curled my hair underneath. I've been playing with the bangs a bit. They're not as bad as I thought they were. They're probably actually just where I would want them. It's such a shock going that short of a bang when my hair hasn't had bangs in years. I really, really like them though. I think they're super cute, really delicate, really helps frame the face as well. So yeah, so that's the hair. I love it so much. I think it turned out so well, and it's definitely a big change up. And yeah, I did all this watching the Brad Mondo Sabrina Carpenter haircut tutorial. So thank you so much for posting that. I only cut my hair at home now because of you, so thank you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!